Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of being financially free and having the ability to make your money work for you? This video is for you. Investing is the key to achieving your financial goals and securing your future. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, there are countless opportunities to grow your wealth and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. So, why wait? Start learning about the power of investing today and take control of your financial future. Applying the things that we'll go through in today's video can guide you to financial freedom, giving you the ability to do things like retire early, start your own business, or travel the world. In this video, we'll show you how to invest for financial freedom, and we'll break down the steps for profitable investing, the good investment options, and more. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. First, how can anyone invest for financial freedom? If you're like most people, you're looking for a way to take control of your finances and achieve the kind of life you've always dreamed of. And the truth is, few things can have as much impact on your quality of life as your finances. That's why it's so important to understand how to invest properly to attain financial freedom. While many people aspire to achieve financial freedom, very few know how to actually go about it. But with careful and profitable investment, you can multiply your income, build a solid foundation for future endeavors, and enjoy the fulfillment that comes with financial security. Of course, investing can be complicated, especially if you're new to the game. But don't worry, this video is here to guide you every step of the way. Get ready to discover the secrets of successful investing for financial freedom. So, what is the first step to profitable investing? Many people struggle with knowing how to begin their investment journey. Investing can be risky and complicated, and a wrong move can quickly set you back instead of taking you forward. But don't worry, the first step to profitable investing is to ensure you have taken care of these three factors. First, set your financial goal. Just like embarking on a journey, you need to know your destination before starting. Financial freedom means different things to different people, and personal needs and goals tend to differ. Ask yourself what financial freedom means to you, how much money and assets it would take, how you hope to attain it, and how long you expect it would take. Having clarity on these points is essential before beginning your investment journey. Secondly, know the market. Investing blindly without observing the market is a recipe for disaster and can spell financial doom. Before investing, take the time to acquire knowledge about the financial market. Learn how to optimize and diversify your portfolio, and how the intricate combination of science and emotion influences the market. All this knowledge will help you as you start investing. Finally, know your investment strategy and diversify. Your investment strategy is as personal as it is scientific. Your personality, including your strengths and weaknesses, will be crucial to your investment success. Understand what works best for you and analyze the many ways you are likely to sabotage yourself. Tweak and keep tweaking your investment strategy until it is as efficient as possible. Remember that investment success comes with patience and discipline. Diversification is crucial when it comes to investing for financial freedom. By spreading your investment risk across multiple assets, you can reduce the impact of poor performance in any one investment. This strategy can help protect you against significant losses and increase your chances of reaching your long-term investment goals. By taking care of these three factors, you'll be well on your way to profitable investing and financial freedom. But what are the good investment options for achieving financial freedom? There are plenty of great investment options available to you today, and here are 4 of the best options that you might want to consider. First up, government bond funds. These funds invest in the debt securities of a country and are an excellent option for beginner investors looking for something low risk. Government bonds carry little risk, protecting you against interest rate risks. Another good option is a high-interest savings account. These accounts offer high interest rates, sometimes even compound interest, for keeping your money in the account for a certain period of time. Like government bonds, high-interest savings accounts have incredibly low risks, making them perfect for beginner investors. If you're looking for something with potentially higher returns, consider S&P 500 index funds. These funds are based on the 500 largest and most successful businesses in the US. While they offer the chance for higher returns than government bonds or savings accounts, they are much more volatile and should only be attempted by investors with strong risk tolerance. For even higher potential returns, consider investing in dividend stocks. Purchasing stocks is like buying shares in a company's profits, with dividends paid out quarterly or annually. While dividend stocks generally offer higher returns, they come with greater risks. Investing in stocks requires a good knowledge of the financial market and should only be attempted by intermediate or experienced investors. Remember, while these options come with varying levels of risk and potential returns, there's no one right investment option for everyone. Be sure to do your research, understand your own risk tolerance, and make investment decisions that are right for you. And it's important to set a financial goal. Setting financial goals is super important because it gives you direction and purpose for your financial decisions. It helps you know where to focus your resources and measure your progress. Plus, it's a roadmap to achieving financial success. Let's talk about some examples of financial goals you might have. There are so many financial goals. Maybe you're saving for retirement so you can enjoy your golden years without worrying about money. Or maybe you're dreaming of buying a house and building some equity. Paying for college can be a great investment in your future earning potential. And having an emergency fund is essential for your peace of mind. You might also want to pay off debt, start a business, or travel the world. The sky's the limit. And you also have to set smart financial goals. Specific, measurable, and achievable. And all you need to do is make your goals specific. Be clear about what you want to achieve and make them measurable so you can track your progress. And of course, make your goals achievable given your current resources. Finally, give yourself a deadline to create a sense of urgency. By setting smart financial goals, you'll have a clear plan to achieve your dreams. By the way, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Real estate investment has the potential to accelerate your journey towards financial freedom, and it usually offers great tax benefits. But it's important to approach it with caution, and here are some key things to keep in mind. First and foremost, seek knowledge before investing. The more you know about the real estate market, the more likely you are to make profitable decisions. Next, have a solid financial plan in place. This should include a source of funding in case you need additional funds to complete a deal. Many investors secure a personal loan to help finance their investments. It's also important to have a clear financial goal in mind. As we said, financial freedom means different things to different people. Knowing how much you want to achieve can help you avoid unnecessary risks. As you build your real estate portfolio, be patient and cautious. Avoid taking unnecessary risks. And always remember that it's not just about how much you can gain, but also how much you can afford to lose. Having an investment strategy is also crucial. So, let's talk about developing an investment strategy, a big step to achieving financial freedom. Having an investment strategy is like having a roadmap for your financial journey. It helps you make the right decisions, identify your investment goals, and allocate your resources effectively. With a well-thought-out investment strategy, you're more likely to make smart decisions that lead to long-term financial success. There are different investment strategies to choose from, such as value investing, growth investing, income investing, and index investing. Each strategy has its own unique features and risk-reward profile and may suit different types of investors and investment goals. To choose the right investment strategy for you, consider your risk tolerance, investment objectives, and time horizon. Do you want to invest in undervalued assets, prioritize generating regular income, or focus on companies with strong growth potential? It's essential to research and understand different investment strategies and how they align with your financial goals. But remember, an investment strategy is not set in stone and may change as your financial goals and circumstances evolve. Just choose an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and assess your risk tolerance, and you're good to go. Investing is the key to achieving financial freedom and securing your future. By following the steps we shared today, you can multiply your income, build a solid foundation for future endeavors, and enjoy the fulfillment that comes with financial freedom. As a beginner investor, there are plenty of great investment options for you. Just pick one or two from the ones we went through, and you're all set. Don't forget to set your financial goals to know where to focus your resources and measure your progress. And with patience, discipline, and good planning, you can achieve the financial freedom you deserve. I hope you learned something today while enjoying the video. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to get our next videos.